Grilled jerk, short ribs, and the only seasoning you're gonna need, that jerk nice spice.
These are all the ingredients you need for this delicious recipe. For the marinade, add some green onion, garlic, 1 habanero pepper, some soy sauce, and apple cider vinegar, half of a red onion, then some fresh squeezed orange juice. Add some thyme, and then for flavor, we're coming with that jerk nice spice. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Add some olive oil, give it a blend, add your short ribs to a Ziploc bag, and then pour that delicious marinade all on top. We're gonna throw these in the fridge for at least 2 hours, but let it marinate for as long as you can. Throw these on the grill right over the fire. They cook quick, so only about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. You're looking for a nice, slight char on the outside and juicy on the inside.
That's good, shorty.